Greetings again. Welcome back to the channel, Jamaica. Welcome back to the channel, everybody around the world. Subscribers, viewers, thanks you for the 1K, and I really love you all. I can't tell you how much I appreciate you. Now, today I just want to touch on a little point because we just celebrate National Heroes Day in Jamaica. So I just want to touch on that point because for a person like me, my heroes are everyday people. Not to say that I do not appreciate the past heroes and heroine nanny. Of course, I appreciate their sacrifice. I appreciate the fact that they fought so hard for the liberties that we now enjoy, which many of us Jamaicans take for granted. But today I just want to say I'm giving my flowers to people who are still alive. People who have done some 50, 40 and 30 years of service. People who have done stellar work as stalwarts in their communities, the wider society, and Jamaica overall. These are the people who went nights without food. These are the people who took their own small resources and helped others. These are people who have been doing this thing with a lot of disrespect sometimes. These are people like nurses, teachers, farmers, people like the little postmistress who know everybody and can ensure that everybody get them little thing when it come at the post office. These are the people that I'm talking about. So when I say these people are my heroes, this is because these people have had the greatest impact on my life. These are the people that I look up to the most. These are the role models that have made such a valuable contribution to my life and to many others. And so I'll always stand up proudly and say thank you to these people. Thank you for your tremendous service. Thank you for your job that you've done to make Jamaica a much better place. Thank you.